Maintenance introduction. When cleaning the machine, try not to damage important marks such as model, serial number, monitor model and serial number, probe serial number, and date of manufacture. Regular check of the machine is required. The specific measures are as follows. Daily checklist. After each use, dip a soft cloth in water to thoroughly wipe the gel of the probe. Check whether the probe and the cable are broken or aged. If so, discontinue use. Clean use the probes. If the probe or cable is damaged, stop using immediately. Otherwise, there is a danger of electric shock. Weekly checklist. Check probe for damage. Check power line for breakage or damage. Disinfect used probes. Turn off the power to the device. Unplug it and clean. The system should be electrified every 3 months if the equipment is not used for a long period of time.